So it's Monday morning and I'm about to sheet. Over the weekend the owner has marked out where everything is going. The Sparky's in here at the moment just for a little while. He's just doing a putting a few wires here and there, changing things around a little. I'm just doing the timber for the Vanity. It's a wall hung Vanity, so you always put in a bit more timber. Like so. I'll put a couple across here. The Vanity actually goes to here, so it's going to be connecting with that stud, with that one that I've just put in, with that stud and the corner stud, and I'm putting a couple across there. So there's heaps of timber. Super adequate. Oh boy, oh, I love these, eh? Incredible. .840 is the usual height for a Vanity. So I'll just start it off here. The old left-handed screwdriver, yep. Let's just I'll put a screw in there just to hold it. So I can press down. Nice. You want to get in here, mate?
No, mate. That's all good.
All good. I could have done with cutting these just a little longer. Not bad. Now that's heaps of timber to screw the Vanity to. Like a kid with a new toy.
That's it.
Lovely. I've got just enough. What happened to my bit? Oh yeah, there it is. So, a couple more screws, but it's pretty much done, I reckon. Alright, this is Chriso. We'll see you soon on the next one. I'll be cutting some sheets in a minute. I'll start on over there. It'll give the Sparky a bit of a chance to do his thing here. He's going to be changing that power point over to here. So it's going to be away from the water to make it all legal in Australia.